Here I have the Xiaomi adjustable chair. This is a swivel chair. As you could see, it is super sturdy, very nice. It has a total of 5 wheels, which slide quietly and easily. It also has an adjustable lever on the side, which you are able to adjust the seat, move it up and down. It is very comfortable seating, has extra cushion, and also I like that it is not noisy while you are moving it around. The seat itself does swivel 360 degrees. This makes it perfect for multitasking. Also, this is great for an office, at home, or a salon. The texture on this is great. As you could see, the seat is very sturdy. I did like that the lever was easy to use. If you're looking for a great swivel chair, then overall I would definitely recommend this one right here. Great quality, easy to assemble, and easy to use. Overall, I would definitely recommend this swivel chair. This is a 10 out of 10 for me.